Alright, what's up guys? So it's been a while since I uploaded. I actually just picked up this Fox body up yesterday. Have big plans for this car. I'm gonna do a video today about cleaning this up. I got it for really cheap, so it's pretty bad. Junk, missing door panel. It's a 4-cylinder actually, but that's gonna change soon enough. And I saw someone comment on the last video, on the Dakota video. I actually ended up selling that truck. Sold it real good. And I just bought this beater truck. Maybe do a couple videos on it, but it's pretty clean. Just a 95 Dakota V8 on it, 4x4. But yeah, today I'm gonna be focusing on this car. Just gonna do just clean it up, show y'all before and after this car, pretty much. Take all the seats out, clean everything up, because that's what I can do for now. I need to pick up an engine for it soon. I'm thinking about doing a LS swap on it, 5.3, but if I can get a 6.0 for it, I'm gonna do 6.0 too, if I can. But yeah, let's get to cleaning this car. All right, well, I'm gonna start by taking all this trash out of here. All right, well, I ended up moving over here, little shop over here, and I'm gonna take these seats out. Just 2 bolts in the back, both of them. But yeah, I'm gonna take them off and I'll be back. All right, guys, I'll just you gotta take these 2 bolts in the back off. Take those off. You should have some in the front too. First, you gotta take those covers off though. I'll be back. Here, got the little 2 covers off. Yeah, just take them off. And your sheets should. Alright, guys, so just got it done cleaning. I left this in here. Put all the extra parts in there. It's pretty much as clean as it's gonna get for right now. I know the seats are pretty bad still. Put them back in. But yeah, it's pretty much as good as it's gonna get for right now. And the thing that's gonna be it for this video. Because that's as far as I want to get clean for right now. Next video, I want to take out the engine, or I might just do something else. But pretty soon here, I'm gonna take out the engine on this, and I'm gonna start doing the LS swap on it. And also I'm gonna do a video on that truck, taking the transmission out and taking it to get rebuilt. But yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. Thank you.